Okay, activity 4.2 is dilating lines. I'm going to go ahead and do the first one as an example to remind us how to do dilations, and then you're going to do questions 2, 3, and 4 before we check our answers on this. Okay, so let's remember our formula for a dilation. I'm going to do actually the calculations down here since there's a lot of extra space down here. So our formula for the dilation, remember, is CPR equals CP prime. And in our case, since we have a center that's still called C, but our point is called A, this is going to give us CAR equals CA prime. Okay. So we're going to be substituting into this formula. Now, you don't need to necessarily do all of these steps for each one. You can figure out which step is most relevant for you. But what we need to do is we need to figure out the distance from C to A as our first step. Okay. So if we measure from C to A with the ruler, we will get that it looks to be 5 centimeters. Okay. So the distance from C to A is 5 centimeters. And our scale factor is 3/4. Okay. And C to A prime is what we're looking for. So we're going to substitute all of that in. We're going to get CA is 5, scale factor is 3/4, and we're looking for CA prime. So if we do this on the calculator, actually I don't know if we need to do this on the calculator. This is basically going to be 15 over 4. 15 over 4. So that's what, 3 3/4. So that's basically 3.75 centimeters. You can do that on a calculator if you want to. But so we're going to get 15 over 4 or 3.75 for CA prime. And now let's go ahead and measure that. So that's going to put it right about, and remember we're measuring, from C to A, so we want our ruler to be facing this way. And we're going to go 3.75, so that's going to put it right about there. Okay, so that's where our A prime is going to be. Okay, so now we have successfully dilated point A. On your own, dilate points B and D. And we'll stop here, and then we'll go over the rest of this after. Okay, so go ahead and dilate points B and D now.